Creating a digital will with secure account handover is a must if you want to protect your digital assets and ensure your loved ones have access when you're no longer around. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a secure digital will step by step in just 3 minutes. So stay tuned till the end for a special offer on the best software to help you do this. First, let's define what a digital will is. It's essentially a legal document that outlines how your digital assets should be handled after you pass away. Digital assets include things like your social media accounts, bank accounts, email, cryptocurrency wallets, and even online subscriptions. Without a digital will, your loved ones may struggle to access or manage these assets. So, securing them in advance is crucial. Now, let's get to the process. The first step is choosing the right software for creating your digital will. After testing out some of the most popular options, I recommend this software for its simple, secure account handover process. This software allows you to securely store and manage all your digital assets, with clear instructions for what should happen when you're gone. Once you've chosen the software, the next step is to add all of your accounts and assets into the platform. For each account, you'll need to provide information like usernames, passwords, and instructions for your beneficiary on how to access and manage the accounts. Don't worry about security. This software encrypts your data to ensure it's protected. Next, you'll assign a beneficiary or a trusted individual who will be in charge of your digital assets when the time comes. This person will need to follow the instructions you've set up and can access your account securely once the necessary conditions are met. The third step is setting up the account handover process. This software allows you to define exactly when and how your beneficiary will be notified and given access to your digital assets. This can be triggered by your passing or another specific condition, depending on what you choose. Before finalizing, make sure you double-check everything. Ensure all accounts are listed, passwords are correct, and your beneficiary knows exactly what's expected of them. It's also a good idea to inform your beneficiary about the existence of the will so they know where to find it when the time comes. Once everything is in place, you can securely store your digital will and review it periodically to make sure everything is up to date. With this software, you can have peace of mind knowing your digital life is taken care of in the event of the unexpected. And here's your key takeaway. Setting up a digital will with secure account handover is one of the most important steps you can take to protect your digital legacy. It ensures your online assets are managed and passed on according to your wishes. Don't wait. Start today and make sure your accounts are in good hands. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we use today, available only through the link in the description below. It's a great way to follow along and get your digital will set up with ease. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips.